Hello, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon, and today I'm talking about campaign 4. I'm a little later than normal getting started because spring is in the air here, even though it's winter. I'm so glad, and guess what? This catalog is about spring. It is coming. So I don't forget to show you some of these wonderful spring things. This cardigan sweater that I have on is in there, and guess what? We're coming out with different colors of things. I'm so excited about that. We usually just come out with like one color. Well, we have 4 colors to pick from. And the sweater is $29.99. Another thing I have on is this gorgeous necklace. Isn't that just gorgeous? And this ring, and it comes in all kinds of colors as well, and they're only $9.99. And a fun bracelet. This one has butterflies on it, and it's clasp open really easily. There's a bunch of colors of that one as well. Some of the things that are in there that I wanted to make sure you see, we've been having some really cool specials inside the catalog. This one, you get all of that stuff for $20. And remember last time I showed you that bag, can you see it with the big heart in the back? Well, it's still in the catalog this time, where you get the bag, the vitamin C serum, the Clinical Eye Lift Pro, a lipstick, and a lip liner, all for $40. So I think you have to check that out. Because guess what? Valentine's Day is coming. It's already the 17th of January. So yeah, it's coming up. Before we know it, it's like another year is going to be flying by on us. So get started thinking about it. That bracelet, here's some of the other colors that it can come in. And mine had butterflies. We have some really cool butterfly and flower designs this year. And notice, even our jewelry boxes, the covers that they come on, have some beautiful covers on them. I'll start with some of the fun daily needs kind of things. The cherry blossom and the vanilla cream, they have like a 3-piece set where you can get the shower gel, lotion, and body spray all for $10.99. So that'd make a nice Valentine's present. Also, all kinds of fragrances, all the different far away ones. This is the Far Away Infinity with a green top, $12.99. Eyeshadows, quad eyeshadows for $5.99. And I put this out here so I remember to tell you, if you're one of those that has a droopy eye and it bags a little bit, if you put the darkest color, just a little bit of that on the top part of where the bag part is, it'll make your eyes look like they aren't as droopy. And if you want to choose which individual colors you want, Mark has these little singles that you buy, and it does have a little, comes in this little plastic case, so you can take these out, and it's metal on the back, so it has a magnetic container that you can buy to put them in and just change out the ones that you want. And with it being wintry, we've been having super dry, and the moisture therapy one came in a shea butter. So we have all of those, and they're on sale. And look at this gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. I just think that is so pretty. I mean, I have to thank one of my dear friends when she gave me this color top one time ago. I would never have bought it, and I love this color. So I've been buying more and more of this kind of color of stuff. Jewelry, we have these bracelets. I had it last time, but I thought, well, I was wearing it. But it also comes in like a white, and if you're not looking for it in the catalog, you're going to miss it. And because the catalog doesn't do it justice, these are so beautiful. And pearls, and these are bangles, and so they go all the way around. And you get all 3 of them in the set. And another kind of fun bracelet is this, but it comes in like 3 different colors, and it's one that you wrap around your wrist like 3 times. But look at the size of it. You could wear it as a gorgeous necklace as well. And there's 3 different colors that you can get this in. And all kinds of purple for domestic violence. But this one it's a carry-all plate, so it'd be great to put stuff on your dresser. It has butterflies. We have a lot of that kind of stuff. The purple design, it's called Purple Peace, and that's towards the back of the catalog. And in the very back of the catalog, we have our Apparel line. This is the AM Protect, and Look at my nails are still growing, people. Look how long my thumbnail is. That's like huge for me. I am going to keep taking those, and if you have problems with your nails growing, that is the one that you want. I have tried many different vitamins over the years, and they didn't really work. This one is. I am getting nails, and they're strong. I love, love, love them. So try them out. And clothes things. Whoops. We have some fun little tops. This one has a longer, like a bell sleeve, but it has like a cutout in it right here in the arm, in this little sleeve, and it's lined. So, and it has like a V-neck on it, so you can see that. And we have a dress in that same kind of a color, but a totally different kind of a fabric. And it's more of a straight dress, but it has like a little band right here and on the top. And it has like a hidden zipper, but it does have a zipper down the back. So, and it comes like just down, well, probably the normal width of a zipper for a dress. And if you forgot about the Southwest collection in the last catalog, it's getting close. You only they totally just take that one out, because every quarter we're going to have a new line. And notice all this jewelry and everything coordinates. So it's kind of fun. Even the shoes, we have shoes with this kind of colors on it. But if you wanted something from the Southwest collection, this is a nice mock turtleneck, and it's not super heavy, so it's one that I will wear. And it comes in black or white, and it's in the campaign 2 and 3 catalog. So check those out. And I have to bend down because I dropped something. Have you ever wondered what your personality is with when you wear makeup and stuff? Well, you can kind of tell with what kind of lipstick that you wear. We have, depending on how your lipstick actually goes. And so I went and pulled mine just a few minutes ago, because the different kinds of lipstick, do you have yours close to the original shape, or rounded tip to a point, flat top concave, sharp angled tip, rounded smooth tip, a flat top, sharp angled box curved top, or a sharp angle both sides? Well, I'm kind of two different ones. I'm either very close to the original shape, which means I abide by the rules. I'm a great follower. I don't like too much attention. I'm a little self-conscious and reserved. This has been a big step for me coming out Facebook Live. And I do like schedules, and I occasionally want to attract attention. But the flat top is, I'm to the point, have high morals, very dependable, quick-minded, loves the challenge, and careful about appearances. So if you want to know what your personality is because of your lipstick, let me know. And remember, we always have little flyers. And also, when you look at this catalog, our Avon Living and the Mark are in it. So that's kind of cool. So we don't have quite so many, but we have the outlet and a couple sales flyers. And then remember, we can always back order 2 brochures. So campaigns 2 and 3 are still good. So thanks much for watching. Also, mascara. It's the beginning of the year. It'd be a great time to replace your mascara, because most of all of our makeup is like 25% off this time. And you should replace your mascara every 2 to 3 months. So why not start this month? I did. And then every 2 months, then you'll remember, oh, it's 2 more months, it's time to get a new mascara. So that's just my tip for the day. Thanks much. Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. Thank you.